In this cake tutorial, you're going to see how to make a beautiful vintage old school cake. With basic buttercream piping skills, you can do this too. Hi, it's Lorelei. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. Start by coloring about 2 cups of buttercream pink. About 1 cup or so of green. You can use a mix of moss and juniper like I did here if you'd like. Fill 1 bag with the green and 1 with white. The tips that you'll need are 18, 104, 3, and a 102. Now you want to crumb coat your cake with a thin layer of buttercream. This cake here I'm using is just a demo cake, so I didn't bother to fill it. I use my Italian meringue buttercream recipe. If you'd like to get a free copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes, you can visit weddingcakesforyou.com. I have a link below to get your free book. It's an ebook, by the way, it's not a real book. Now coat your cake with pink frosting, or whatever color you decide. I mean, you can use lilac is really nice with this kind of a cake, or a soft yellow. Smooth out your cake as best you can and then refrigerate it for 10 minutes or more. A doily is really perfect for a Victorian style cake like this. Hot glue holds the cake firmly in place. Once the cake is cold, you can smooth it out a bit more by using a straight edge like this bench scraper. You can find this and all of the other tools that I use in my cake business in my Amazon shop. The link is below for you. Now mark your cake for your garland placement. I'm just using a little nick on the side of the cake there. It will be covered when I do the border, so no worries there. And you can buy templates for this, but I usually just eyeball it, and I sometimes use a cup and I mark a half a circle. Using a number 3 tip, pipe squiggles to fill in under the swags. This is called Cornelli lace. Pipe the lines without overlapping them. Once you're done with that, grab your 104 tip and with the wide end down, squeeze out and wiggle the tip back and forth to create ruffles. Now back to the star tip, number 18. Pipe a edging along each ruffle as a finishing touch. For the top border, use the number 18 and pipe to make reverse scrolls. The bottom border is a straight shell. Now for the bows, use a 104 and make 2 loops, then 2 ribbons coming down. For detailed instructions on this type of piping, I have a basic piping skills class on Teachable. It's in my academy. It's called Cakes with Lorelei Academy, and the link is in the description box for you below. And there it is, your beautiful Victorian, old school style, beautiful buttercream cake that you made for your family members. They are gonna love you. All right, well, thank you so much for being here. Join me on this channel every Wednesday at 1 o'clock for a live demonstration and or a Q&A. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.